today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in Notion if you want to keep documents easy to access inside your workspace. Embedding a PDF in Notion is a simple and useful option. This is great for things like reports, guides, worksheets, reference files, or any document you want to view without leaving the page. I am going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the PDF to appear. Make sure you are on the exact page where you'd like the document to be embedded, since that's where Notion will place it. Once you are there, click into the page so your cursor is active and ready for a new block. Next, type /PDF, or you can type /embed. This opens Notion's block options and helps you quickly insert the right kind of content from the menu that appears. Choose the option called Embed Link. This tells Notion that you want to place content from an external source directly inside the page. After that, paste the direct URL of the PDF into the field provided. It's important that this is a direct link to the PDF file itself, not just a web page that happens to contain the file. If the link is correct, Notion will be able to recognize it properly and display the document as an embedded item instead of just showing a normal link. Once the link is pasted in, click Embed PDF. Notion will then load the file into your page. Depending on the size of the document and your internet connection, it may take a moment to appear. When it finishes loading, the PDF should be visible right inside the page, making it much easier to read and reference without opening a separate tab. If the file doesn't show up as expected, double-check that the link points directly to the PDF and that the file is accessible. In many cases, the issue comes from using a sharing page instead of the actual file URL. That's all it takes to embed a PDF in Notion. It's a quick way to keep important documents organized and available exactly where you need them. Thank you for watching.